Get ready for the most insane shredders and crushers ever built. From massive steel beams to 100-year-old timber, nothing escapes their jaws. Buckle up, because here, destruction is turned into a breathtaking spectacle. The visual impact is stunning. Two hardened steel drums rotating in sync, each tooth shaped like a predator's jaw. They don't just crush, they orchestrate destruction with rhythm. Watching that Cadillac fold under synchronized torque leaves an impression stronger than any demolition video. It's industrial ballet with a mean streak. In the forest's silence, a tracked titan awakens. The Pezzolato PTH 1200/1000M. Its Scania DC-16 heart roars with 656 horsepower, driving the drum that devours timber without mercy. Each log consumed is a story erased, reborn as chips. This is more than machinery. It's pure drama, where steel meets destiny, thunderous cadence. In the smoky haze of an American arena, the Chevy Duramax diesel rises like a steel predator. Its 66-inch tractor tires climb the sedan, crushing glass and steel beneath. Crowds gasp as torque and weight converge, transforming a junk car into rubble. Proof of man's fascination with power. The three-wheeled vehicle that once rolled down the street now takes only a few seconds to become scrap metal under the crushing steel shafts. Recycling technology not only saves costs and recovers valuable materials, but is also far safer than manual dismantling. The press delivers over 150 tons of compressive force, engineered in Belgium for heavy scrap. Each piston stroke channels hydraulic energy into impact, flattening drums into sheets ready for recycling. Mechanical precision meets raw power. makes you wonder. How many horsepower does it take to shred a 30,000-pound bus? With electric motors rated above 500 horsepower driving twin rotors, the answer is clear. More power than most locomotives needed a century ago. Progress has its own noise. Who knew rubber that tough could fall apart this fast? The BS 6000 chews through reinforced tires like they're soft bread. Sparks jump when steel wire snaps under pressure. Every second feels like watching a small miracle of brute force and precision engineering working in perfect sync. The cracking sound as household items are swallowed makes your skin crawl. Something once tied to family memories is now reduced to fragments. Everything has its own life cycle, and recycling is the way an ending can transform into a new beginning. Predator 9.0 HS runs with hydraulic rams calibrated to perfection, converting fluid pressure into relentless, crushing force. That's engineering mastery. Energy translated into momentum, momentum into throughput. 60 tons per hour isn't hype, it's precision at work. Seeing an old truck flattened under a dozer feels like watching history close a chapter. That vehicle once hauled families, groceries, maybe dreams. Now, 200 horsepower of steel rewrites its purpose, reminding us everything has a cycle. Endings feed new beginnings. The sheer torque behind the 75 DK is insane. Hundreds of kilonewtons twisting through debris. Watching metal collapse as easily as foam leaves a mark. Strength isn't chaos. It's precision channeling brute force. The VRS stripping tool is built like a precision shear. Steel jaws guided by hydraulics, calibrated to separate copper cores from stubborn insulation. It's not just brute force, it's engineered finesse, maximizing scrap value per pound. Anyone who's fed roots into this beast knows patience matters. Let the Crambo's 500 horsepower engine work at its pace. Push too much too fast, and the teeth jam. Lesson from the yard: efficiency isn't rushing, it's keeping the machine breathing steady. Back in the day, cutting scrap meant gas torches and hours of sparks flying. Now the HSS 600R makes the same job look like slicing bread. Faster, safer, and a whole lot cleaner. Progress in metal recycling has come a long way. Kinda wild to see aluminum radiators that once cooled engines get cooked themselves inside a 748-pound beast. The AC200 turns old car parts into tomorrow's raw material. It's recycling with a smile and a lot of crunching music. The EMD 2020 eats pallets like a kid tearing into pizza on Friday night. Augers spin, wood crunches, and a messy pile becomes neat chips ready for recycling. Funny thing, watching this shredder feels more entertaining than half the shows on TV. The momentum inside that UBC hammer crusher is insane. Rotors slam aluminum with kinetic force so strong, profiles fold like paper fans. This isn't brute chaos, it's designed impact. Proof that controlled energy outperforms raw muscle. The dual shear doesn't roar, it growls with precision. Each shaft grabs, twists, and tears the OTR carcass apart. It's not chaos, it's engineered momentum. That's why this design is respected worldwide in heavy-duty scrap processing. Powerhand VRS runs with a 360-degree hydraulic rotation and heavy-duty grab arms, engineered for precision dismantling. She's every motion is calculated to separate copper, steel, and aluminum cleanly. That's design efficiency turning scrap into profit. Engineers love the XR's precision. Cutting mattresses down to less than 50 millimeters particles isn't brute force. It's controlled energy. Downstream separation tech ensures steel springs and clean foam head to different streams, pushing recycling rates close to 100%. The TDS V20 munches wood like a hungry beast at a barbecue. Every chunk disappears with a growl from the Vecoplan chamber. It's almost fun to watch, except of course don't get too close unless Splinter Rain sounds like your idea of a party. Shear uses a single shaft design with precision cutters, delivering torque that keeps foam flowing without clogging. Engineers designed it to turn low-density material into uniform pieces, a perfect prep step for recycling lines. Terex engineered the J1170AS with a 48-inch by 28-inch jaw and integrated pre-screen, meaning operators get cleaner throughput and less wear. Efficiency here isn't just crushing, it's managing energy transfer and minimizing downtime. The compact particle size the Tanashark delivers isn't just impressive, it's crucial. Smaller shreds mean easier transport, cleaner recycling streams, and a real boost in energy recovery systems. The LU-800T runs with hydraulic precision, each stroke pushing massive momentum through hardened steel blades. Designed in Germany, it shows how engineering turns raw pressure into clean cuts. Think you've seen it all? These 30 insane shredders were only the start. Comment your favorite beast, hit like, and subscribe, because the machines coming next will challenge everything you know.